Animals have feelings just like us. They feel happy, sad, scared, and even angry. We know dogs growl when they are angry. Cats hiss and arch their backs. These are ways animals show us they are upset. Just like humans, animals get angry for different reasons. Maybe another animal is too close to their food. Perhaps they feel threatened or trapped. Understanding animal anger is important for our safety and theirs. It helps us know when to give animals space. It also helps us understand their behavior better. Animals use many ways to show they are angry. Recognizing these signs is key to living peacefully with them. Animals often show anger in stages, much like humans do. This progression can be subtle or quite obvious depending on the species and the situation. First, they might try to scare away the threat with various warning signals. These signals are their way of saying, "Stay back, I don't want to fight." For instance, a cat might hiss and flatten its ears against its head, making itself look more intimidating. A bear, on the other hand, might stand tall on its hind legs and show its teeth, a clear sign of aggression and dominance. If the threat doesn't go away, the animal might escalate its behavior. This escalation is a critical point where the animal decides whether to flee or fight. This could mean a swipe with claws, a warning nip, or even more pronounced aggressive displays. These actions are meant to deter the threat without engaging in a full-blown fight. Finally, if the animal feels very threatened and sees no other option, it might attack. This is the last resort and usually happens when the animal feels cornered or in immediate danger. Understanding these stages is crucial for anyone who interacts with animals, whether they are pet owners, wildlife enthusiasts, or professionals. Recognizing the early signs of agitation allows us to intervene before the situation escalates. This can prevent harm to both the animal and the person involved. This knowledge can prevent dangerous situations from escalating into something more serious. Simple actions like calming the animal or removing the threat can make a big difference. By learning to read animal body language, we can respond appropriately and ensure a safer environment for everyone. This skill is invaluable in both domestic and wild settings. Sometimes it's enough to give the animal space and time to calm down. Respecting their boundaries can prevent many conflicts. Other times, we might need to seek professional help, especially if the animal's behavior is unpredictable or dangerous. Professionals are trained to handle such situations safely. Sometimes animals show anger in surprising ways. Instead of attacking the threat directly, they might redirect their anger. This is called altered behavior. Imagine a seabird that's been fighting for its nesting spot. It's stressed and angry. But instead of attacking its rivals again, it starts pecking furiously at the grass. This is altered behavior. This behavior might seem strange, but it serves a purpose. Animals use it to release pent-up energy and frustration. It's a way of coping with stress and anger in a non-harmful way. Altered behavior can take many forms. Some animals might groom themselves excessively, others might pace back and forth or dig holes. Let's revisit our seabird example. The seabird is feeling stressed after defending its nest. Its body is flooded with stress hormones. These hormones tell the bird to fight or flee. Pecking at the grass allows the seabird to release this pent-up energy. The physical action helps to lower its stress hormone levels. This allows the bird to calm down and avoid a potentially harmful confrontation. This behavior is not limited to seabirds. Many animals, from birds to mammals, exhibit altered behavior. It's a testament to the diverse ways animals cope with stress and anger. Section 5. Peacocks and kangaroos, anger management, animal style. Peacocks are known for their beautiful feathers, but did you know they also use these feathers to express anger? When a peacock is upset, it might shake its feathers violently. This display is a way of intimidating rivals and releasing frustration. Kangaroos, on the other hand, have a more physical way of venting anger. When two males fight, they might kick and box each other, but sometimes they redirect their aggression towards something else, like a tree. These examples show that altered behavior can take many forms. It's a reminder that animals have complex emotional lives and coping mechanisms. Section 6. The science behind altered behavior, stress hormones and relief. Understanding the intricate relationship between stress hormones and behavior is crucial for both humans and animals. Why do animals engage in altered behavior? This question has intrigued scientists for decades. The answer lies in their hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that play a vital role in regulating various physiological processes. When an animal experiences stress or anger, its body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are part of the body's natural response to perceived threats. These hormones prepare the animal for a fight or flight response. This response is essential for survival, enabling the animal to either confront the threat or escape from it. Their heart rate and breathing increase and their muscles tense up. This physiological state equips the animal with the necessary energy and alertness to deal with immediate danger. This is a natural and healthy response to danger. It ensures that the animal can react swiftly and effectively to threats in its environment. However, if these hormones remain elevated for too long, they can be harmful. Chronic stress can lead to a range of health issues, including weakened immune function and increased susceptibility to diseases. This is where altered behavior comes in. Animals often develop repetitive behaviors as a coping mechanism to manage prolonged stress. By engaging in these behaviors, animals can lower their stress hormone levels. These actions serve as an outlet for the pent-up energy and stress. The physical action of pecking, digging, or pacing helps to use up the excess energy and hormones. This not only reduces stress, but also prevents the negative effects of chronic stress. This allows the animal to return to a calmer state. Understanding these behaviors and their underlying causes can help in creating better environments for animals, both in the wild and in captivity, ensuring their well-being and health. Section 7. Altered behavior in captivity zoos and animal welfare. Altered behavior is especially important to understand in captivity. Animals in zoos and sanctuaries may experience stress and frustration due to limited space and social interactions. They may exhibit altered behavior as a way of coping with these challenges. Zookeepers and animal caretakers need to be aware of these behaviors and provide appropriate outlets for animals to express their emotions. Enrichment activities such as puzzle feeders, scratching posts, and even just providing more space can help animals manage their stress levels. Recognizing and addressing altered behavior is crucial for ensuring the well-being of captive animals. Section 8. Recognizing and responding to animal anger. Recognizing the signs of animal anger is essential for our safety and the well-being of animals. Pay attention to their body language. Flattened ears, growling, hissing, and raised hackles are all warning signs. If you encounter an angry animal, give it space. Avoid direct eye contact, as this can be perceived as a threat. Speak in a calm, soothing voice and back away slowly. If you are unsure how to handle a situation, it's best to contact a professional. Animal control officers and wildlife rehabilitators are trained to handle animals safely and humanely. Section 9. The importance of understanding animal emotions. For a long time, people believed that animals didn't experience emotions like humans do. However, scientific research has shown that animals have complex emotional lives. Understanding animal emotions, including anger, is essential for coexisting peacefully with them. It allows us to interpret their behavior accurately and respond appropriately. By recognizing the signs of stress, fear, and anger, we can avoid putting ourselves and animals in potentially dangerous situations. It also allows us to provide better care for animals, both in the wild and in captivity. Section 10. Altered behavior, a window into the animal mind. Altered behavior, while seemingly strange, provides valuable insights into the minds of animals. These behaviors, often dismissed as mere oddities, are actually windows into the complex emotional and psychological worlds of our fellow creatures. It shows us that animals have developed complex coping mechanisms to deal with stress and frustration. For instance, some animals might engage in repetitive actions like pacing or grooming as a way to soothe themselves in stressful situations. By studying these behaviors, we can learn more about animal cognition, emotions, and welfare. Researchers spend countless hours observing and documenting these actions to understand the underlying causes and implications. This knowledge can help us improve our interactions with animals and create a more compassionate world for all living creatures. Understanding that animals experience emotions similar to humans can foster empathy and lead to better care practices. Next time you see a bird pecking at the ground or a dog licking its paws excessively, Remember that these behaviors might be more than just quirks. They could be manifestations of deeper emotional states or responses to environmental stresses. They could be a sign of an animal trying to cope with its emotions. Recognizing and understanding these signs can help us provide better support and environments for animals, ensuring their well-being and happiness.